Hello, this is Star Martinez, final for the persuasion class, presenting on persuasion elements that your class doesn't already know about. So, my rhetorical analysis primarily revolves around a holiday film called Noel. In the rhetorical analysis, I basically go over how this film is breaking gender norms, talks about equality for women in films in Hollywood. Now, here's the interesting thing. What I found to be very eye opening was I was looking for a film for me and my daughter to watch after we put up our Christmas tree. We came home, decorated it, got hot cocoa, sat down, and we wanted to watch a good holiday film. So, here's an example of what you guys probably go through as well. You go to Hulu, you search holiday movies. What comes up? All right, so Christmas Perfection. Basically, two males, a female. She's gonna fall in love. Home Alone, a classic. No females in that. The Truth About Christmas. Once again, another female and a male. The Holiday, females, and they are getting rescued by their male counterparts. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the theme. Went over the Netflix, another streaming channel that I'm sure you guys all have. Holiday movies. Let's see what comes up over here. Same theme. Holidays in the Wild, about an older lady, older male, they fall in love. Holiday Rush, same thing, girl comes home after a heartbreak. Holiday Calendar, she falls in love with her best friend. Holiday Engagement, about wedding. Christmas Prince is literally all about a woman who finds a prince, falls in love, and eventually they have a holiday engagement movie and a baby. And the Holiday Chronicles, which is basically another rewrite of original Santa Claus. Yeah, like I said, this is the theme. I mean, you can't get away from it. Not only are these movies just showing women in the roles of being rescued by males, it's also showing males needing to find somebody in order for them to continue to be Santa Claus. I mean, one of my favorite films when I was a child was Santa Claus. So, Santa Claus and Santa Claus 2 with Tim Allen. I'm sure you guys have all seen this growing up too. I mean, this whole second movie is about him having to find love of Mrs. Claus in order to continue to be Santa Claus. I mean, don't get me wrong, like I said, it was one of my favorite movies growing up and I thought it was the cutest thing ever, but now as an adult, that's the hidden message, isn't it? Not only are you not enough, when you can be Santa Claus, you have all of the abilities and the great heart, but you still need to have that satisfaction of having somebody with you, or else it means nothing. I think that's the hidden agenda and the hidden persuasion throughout all of these Christmas movies is you yourself as a female, as a male, you have to continue to perpetuate these stereotypical roles. And even when you think that you can get out of it, you still can't. You still need to have somebody, have a male or a female in your life. And that's where Noel comes into play. This movie is on Disney Plus. It's completely different. Not only does it break those gender norms, not only is it about a female Santa, which, don't get me wrong, even when I first saw it, I was like, really? No, it really does make you believe that she can be a female Santa. And at the end of all of it, she doesn't need a significant other to still be worthy to be Santa Claus. And that is completely different than any other Christmas movie I've ever been able to find. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.